Dear educators, a warm welcome to all of you. We are thrilled to have you join today's online teacher training program on empowering teachers for effective teaching. Teaching is more than just delivering lessons, it's about inspiring, guiding, and shaping young minds. This session is designed specially for passionate educators like you who are committed to making learning more engaging, effective, and impactful. Together, we'll explore innovative teaching strategies, best practices, and practical approaches that can elevate the learning experience of the students. I'm Shambhavi, your moderator for today, and I couldn't be more excited to embark on this learning journey with all of you. Let's make this session interactive, insightful, and enriching. It's my pleasure to introduce our esteemed speaker, Ms. Taruna Tanwa, a highly experienced education practitioner with 18 years of expertise in teaching, learning, assessment, and curriculum development. She holds a bachelor degree in commerce from Delhi University, a B.Ed from MDU Rohtak, NCOM and MBA from AMU Chennai. Ms. Tanwa has been instrumental in shaping educational content, having developed curriculum and learning materials for large scale government education projects. Her work includes designing content for 5,500 government schools in Uttar Pradesh, contributing to the Rajasthan government school projects for 6th to 12th grades across 2,000 schools, and developing materials for more than 1,000 schools under the CM project Rise in Madhya Pradesh. With a deep understanding of the National Education Policy 2020, the National Curriculum Framework, and PARA guidelines, she specializes in competency based learning, assessment, strategies, and 21st century skill integration. Today, she will be sharing insights on effective teaching strategies, curriculum innovation, and best practices for impactful learning. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Taruna Tanwar. For anyone new to our platform, let me introduce you to CAMP, the Knowledge and Awareness Mapping Platform. CAMP, in his initiative of CSIR NISPA, dedicated to bridging the gap between education and real life application. Our mission is to cultivate a scientific mindset among students while nurturing their hidden talents. Get ready to exchange ideas, gain new perspective, and take your teaching to the next level. Ma'am, the platform is all yours. To all the participants, please stay engaged, use the chat for your comments, and feel free to raise questions during the session.
Thank you so much. Hi, good evening, everyone. First, a big thank you to you, Shambhavi, for that warm introduction. And of course, my sincere gratitude to all the teachers for joining this session. I truly appreciate that despite of your busy schedules, you have taken this step forwards, learning and professional growth. It's always inspiring to see dedicated educators coming together to reflect, learn, and enhance their teaching practices. Today's session has been carefully designed by me on basis of my 18 years of experience as an educationist and mentor. Over the years, I have worked closely with teachers, students, school, management, but one thing remained constant. That is, learning is happening, but there is always a scope for improvement. I have come across numerous situations where students are learning, but something still feels incomplete, whether it is engagement, deeper understanding, or practical application. And that's exactly what we are here to explore today. How we can make learning more meaningful, effective, and enjoyable. See, I know that I can see a huge crowd here and everyone is expert here. So basically this workshop, I don't have anything which I know that you people are aware of everything. You know more, like I can expect that people here are experts from science, maths, English, and you are expert of your subject. So every day you are dealing with different students. I know that you know much better. But at this platform, maybe this is basically a knowledge sharing platform, right? So we have, I can see we have a large group of participants today, which is fantastic. However, due to this, one-on-one question may not be possible during the session, as Shambhavi said, but we still want to hear from you. I encourage you to use the chat box to share your question, insights, and suggestions. See, I'm not a person who will just say, "मैं बोलती जा रही हूँ," and you people are just listening. I don't know because as I told you, this is a knowledge sharing session. So maybe something I have, maybe I would like to hear your experience as well for my improvement, right? So I will be asking you question at every step, and I request you to bombard the chat box with your thoughts and answers. This will help you reflect on yourself and give you the opportunity to hear diverse views from others as well, right? So the more actively you participate, the richer the experience for all of us. Let's make this a collaborative and engaging session. Once again, thank you for being here. Let's begin. So I don't know if you're not able to use chat box, grab a paper and write down your answers, because as I mentioned, I will be asking multiple questions from you, right? And if you are not able to use answer in chat box, maybe some of you out somewhere or whatever, so you can definitely use emojis, use more and more images. Like if you're liking something, just give me a good emoji. If you're not liking something, you can discourage me. That's absolutely fine, right? Okay, so give me a minute. I would like to share my presentation with you all. Is this visible to everyone, Shambhavi? Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am, the screen is visible.
Okay, just a minute, huh? Okay, so as mentioned, today's topic is empowering teachers for effective teaching. In this conversation, we will discuss something good strategies from our Indian classroom. Basically, the topic will revolve around only one thing, that is engaged learning, right? When I was making this presentation, I was preparing for this workshop. I just provoke on 3 questions, which I'm asking you. And as I said, just answer, right? Write in chat box or write on a paper. I'll ask you कि आपने क्या लिखा है, right? First question which first came into my mind is, why is teacher engagement so crucial in the classroom? Second is, what are the gaps we are ignoring, right? How can we make our classroom a happy learning place? Can anyone answer? You can raise your hand also. If anybody wants to answer, you can raise your hand also. Because NEP, after NEP says a lot about experiential learning, happy things, happy curriculum. We all are putting a lot of efforts in making our classroom more engaged. हम चाहते हैं बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ते हैं. They should give us good result. But there is again a जैसे कहते हैं ना छोटा सा gap, I can say that is there. So you can answer in chat box. Since I'm sharing my screen, I'm not able to see the chat box. So Shambhavi, help me if anything good comes in, right?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, so as I said, entire conversation will revolve around only 2 things, that is engaged teaching and happy learning, right? So before we go deep into this conversation, again, I would like you all to ponder upon few things. Let's say, are you really connecting with your students? The first point, how well do you know your students? Write in chat box or any emoji. Like we are very sure that we are a good teacher. I'm a science teacher. If I'm a science teacher, I know that my class is very happy. My students are very happy. But somewhere at the back, I don't know what is the truth, right? Second, how well do you know their thoughts? वो क्या सोचते हैं आपके बारे में? Their worries, why they are worried, the things they obsess about. And third, how well do they ever get to know you beyond your teacher as a role as a teacher? Can anyone tell me? How well do you can say 100%, 90%, 20%, 10%, or never? Any answer is okay. Come on, teachers. Teachers are the person who, I can expect multiple things from your side. Chat boxes, bombarding, okay. By engaging, okay, great, great, great. Everybody, please answer. 100, 90, 50, great. More answers, please. Some of you may feel that these questions are irrelevant, but it's not. These questions are as relevant जैसे जितना important a classroom teaching is. Connecting with student is the topmost thing which we need. Okay. Most of the teachers are writing 100% also. 60% we know our students. Great. Honest answers. Great, great. Okay. Good. So, okay, it's great to hear that many of teachers, I think maximum, most of the teachers are writing that they know your students, right? So let's see कैसे आप कितना जानते हैं अपने बच्चों को. Let's see. This is a small case. Recently, I went for a workshop and we did a small survey. Just have a read. Please have a read on this. This is a case of teacher. Just quickly read it. So basically, a teacher was thinking that she is having an amazing discussion with her science class. They have been studying about plants in today's class, and points students brought up were so insightful. So she originally planned for 10 minutes of the conversation, but things were going so well that she let it for a whole period, right? Now we need to see. I basically what happens is that when as a teacher we are teaching, a few students are very active and constantly try to grab our attention by saying, let me answer, ma'am, let me answer. होता होगा ना आपके साथ भी, आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, बच्चे आगे बढ़ बढ़ के, जो इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे होते हैं हमारे, वो आगे बढ़ बढ़ के मैम हम बताएंगे, हम बताएंगे. This makes us feel that our class is going well, that students are responsive. But in reality, that's not always the case. After a deep analysis of this case, the results were shocking. When we think our class is noisy and that all students are actively participating, that's not actually the reality. In most cases, half of the class remains silent and only a handful of responsive students engage. आप लोगों ने ये फील किया होगा अपनी क्लास में कि कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको आंसर आते हैं बट वो हाथ खड़ा नहीं करते. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो सिर्फ इसीलिए आंसर नहीं देते क्योंकि बाकी बच्चे आंसर देते हैं. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको नहीं आते, वो थोड़ा शाय होते हैं, वो साइड हो जाते हैं कि हमें आंसर ना ही देना पड़े या टीचर की नजर हम पे गलती से ना पड़ जाए. Right? So half of the class basically silent होती है and only a handful of responsive students engage. This is where we unintentionally lose the interest of rest of the students in our class. This is the main discussion today. Now, can you please relate this picture? आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं इस पिक्चर को अपनी क्लासरूम से. चैट बॉक्स प्लीज, चैट बॉक्स, इमोजीज, बिकॉज यू नो योर रिस्पॉन्सेज विल मोटिवेट मी. Can you please relate this picture with your classroom? Go into your classroom in your imagination. आप अपनी imagination में अपनी classroom में जाइए और इस picture को अपनी classroom के साथ okay, a few over enthusiastic students speaking together. Okay. Some children overpower others. Great. Correct. Good. Okay. So yes, you are right. This is called a magnifier. अगर आपने सुना, have you ever heard about Fishy syndrome? This is basically a situation of a teacher. When I am standing in front of a class, maybe I have 35 students in a class, and if I ask any question from my students, those students who are really well connected with me, who really knows the answer, will raise my hand. और मैं as a teacher जब देख रही हूँ तो वो magnifier की तरह एक मेरी eyes के सामने आ रहा है, and that is called the Fishy syndrome, which is very common in teachers. वो क्या करते हैं टीचर्स, वही 4 5 10 बच्चे जो होते हैं, हम लोग अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. आप देख रहे हैं साइड के जो बच्चे हैं वो शाय हैं, वो डाउन है. दिस इज वेयर वी आर लैकिंग, राइट? अब हम इसे कनेक्ट करते हैं. लेट्स कनेक्ट विद अनदर एग्जांपल. This is the class actually. In fact, the teacher is having 28 students, जिसमें से सिर्फ only 10 and 12 of them actually contributed to that discussion. The other just sat there, just waiting for the time. That teacher will teach and she will move on. Next teacher will come and she will give lectures and so on. This is the mentality of most of our classroom. So I just want to know from you again, using chat box, just a thought wave. One more thought. You have planned to demonstrate an evaporation and condensation or any experiment in your class, right? But sometimes it happens that devices which we have planned are not working properly. Maybe light has gone. Maybe, I have written that apparatus you forgot to check. So you have already a batch of 40 students, but the things are not going as per your plan. What happens? क्या होता है आपके साथ? कभी ऐसा आपने फेस किया है? Just give it some answers. Chat box, emojis. I cannot see emojis. You people do not like using emojis. Okay, just tell me, give me thought on this case. कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि things are not going as per your plan? Plan B should be ready. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Chat box is bombarded already with yes. The situation is very common. One of the teacher, Anushka, has given me an emoji, which is really nice. Yes, could shift to another mode of teaching. That is great. So yes, this is again a situation. If I link previous one with the current one, then all the situations are linking and it is happening every day in our classroom. So no matter how educated we are, no matter how experienced we are, no matter how prepared, well prepared we are, there is always a chance where things will not work as per the plan, right? Agreed? Write down agreed in chat box, please. If you are agreed, then write down yes. So here, the importance of engaged teaching comes in, right? Why we need a teacher to be engaged? हमें क्यों चाहिए? Like if I have, see, I am a teacher. I'm from teaching background. I worked in a school for around 8 to 10 years, and I work with the students for their mental health also. So मुझे question comes to me that if I have 30 students in my class and 28 students are well connected with me and two are not connected with me, why? That why irritates me कि why दो बच्चे भी ऐसे क्यों है मेरी क्लास में जो मुझे लाइक नहीं करते? क्या आप लोगों को लगता है कभी ऐसे? The reason is maybe we are not engaged to them. Maybe the child is not feeling that safety corner with us. Maybe the child knows that if he or she asks something, then teacher might not respond well. Is it possible? Yes or no? Is it possible? Maybe the student don't like maths. Okay, great. Anushka, great. This is quite possible. It depends. Like I would like to answer you here, Anushka, that maybe students don't like students. We cannot say that students don't like maths. I have a like if you think like अगर आप पीछे अपने background में जाएंगे हो सकता है think like there may be any subject which you may not like but you still enjoy the class because of your teacher. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है. It happened to me also. I never liked BST. It was a sleepy class for me. But then I still remember that we have a teacher, Bhavesh sir, and I am talking of 1997 when I did my 12th. So उस समय तो internet was a dream, computer was a dream. अभी तो बहुत कुछ है हमारे पास, but उस समय तो कुछ नहीं होता था, right? So the teacher, I still remember, he used to carry a lot of props in the class. Handmade chart papers, then newspaper cuttings. He used to tell us कि bring some newspaper cuttings with you so that we can discuss the topic and all. So the efforts of the teacher I still remember. So the subject I may not like, but I know the teacher, the way he teaches us. With the time, students automatically develop interest, right? So engaged teaching is very important because it increases motivation, it enhances retention, and it promotes critical thinking. When I say critical thinking, I would like to share a very simple example of this. How many of you watches a serial that is CID? कभी देखा है किसी ने CID? एक serial आता है. How many of you? Have you ever seen CID? I'm taking a lot of time. Great, great, great. How many of you have watched CID? Just a simple question. मैं सिर्फ आपसे ये पूछ रही हूँ कि एक सीरियल आता है जिसमें एक दया करके एक कैरेक्टर है, राइट? सो हम लोग देखते हैं उसको. So this complex word critical thinking, if I want to link, I will directly link it to that serial, right? Why? Now I'm asking why. Q. Because when I'm saying critical thinking is simply a dot connecting. Like we should give something to our children so that they can connect dots. They can arrive on a situation. I can see a lot of responses on a chat box. Great, great. But I'm not asking whether you're liking it or not. I'm just directly connecting it to the critical thinking. Why critical thinking is important? Because a child should be given a situation for every topic so that they can connect the dots and they can arrive on a particular situation. That is, बहुत सारे बच्चे अलग अलग होते हैं. कुछ बच्चे सुन के समझते हैं, कुछ बच्चे देख के समझते हैं, कुछ बच्चे करके समझते हैं. You all have diverse nature of students in your class, so आपको पता होगा ये चीज. So as a teacher, we sometimes use visual activities, we sometimes use DIY activities, we sometimes use lecture method, we sometimes use reading methods. We are doing our best for our students, right? So if I say in simple layman language, engaged teaching का सिर्फ दो ही principle मैं मानती हूँ. First is active participation. Like if I have 40 students in my class, 40, I should make sure that 40 out of 40 should participate in my class. Not even a single child should feel insecure. Not even a single child should feel lack of interest. And the second is how this active participation is possible just with your teaching methods. You need to put lot of varieties in your teaching methods, right? You people must have, give me some example in chat box, kind of teaching methods you people are using. Give me some answers, please. Okay, great. So I can see people, teachers are really doing good. Science, give funny short forms to remember, dramatization, role play. Great, great, great. This is what is all about NEPAs, right? So see how, what else we can do. And what is dead time? So the scenario will go like active participation of the students, variety of teaching methods, and fill the dead time. Dead time, when I'm saying, like, we know that as a teacher, there's a 6 to 7 hours teaching, day for us. And for a student, every student has to attend 6 to 7 periods every day. Right? First is math, second is science, SST, so on. So mid of the period, it's only 1 minute, maybe एक्सचेंज ऑफ द पीरियड. एक ही मिनट होता है बच्चे के पास. मैथ्स की टीचर आती हैं, शी जस्ट यूजेस अ बोर्ड, शी जस्ट गिव एक्टिविटीज और द कंटेंट टू द स्टूडेंट्स, एंड देन विद इन अ मिनट पीरियड ओवर होता है. सेकंड टीचर आती हैं, वो पढ़ाती हैं, उनको भी बेस्ट चाहिए, मैथ्स की टीचर को भी बेस्ट चाहिए, इंग्लिश की टीचर ऑल्सो नीड्स द बेस्ट फ्रॉम देयर क्लास. सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट चाइल्ड. उनको तो सिर्फ लेना लेना है, वो सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं. आप जो भी उनको बता रहे हैं, बोर्ड राइटिंग कर रहे हैं. आई जस्ट गेव यू अ BST टीचर एग्जाम्पल. आई कैन गिव यू वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर माई मैथ्स टीचर. वन ऑफ द टीचर मेंशन हियर दैट स्टूडेंट डोंट लाइक मैथ्स. But I'll tell you that I like maths, but I couldn't study maths because I still know my teacher. She used to come with the chalk and books already in her hand. I should not say, but I'm saying it. कि वो सीधा एक मोड में आते थे और टीचिंग में फटाफट फटाफट एक फॉर्मूला लिखा, 2-4 वैल्यूज डाली, ये किया एंड देन एक्सप्लेन किया एंड देन शी लिव कि ये ऐसे हमने किया है. और मेरे जैसा बच्चा इज लाइक क्या हुआ, क्या पढ़ाया आपने. सो आर वी डूइंग दिस. सो डेड टाइम व्हेन आई एम सेइंग इन बिटवीन जो डेड टाइम होता है, क्योंकि दिस इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द अटेंशन स्पैन ऑफ अ चाइल्ड. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द अटेंशन स्पैन ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग? यस नो, यस नो. पुट इट इन चैट बॉक्स. कितने लोग हैं जो अटेंशन स्पैन को लिंक करते हैं अपनी क्लास में? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and can anyone tell me what is the attention span of 13 to 14 years child? एक 13 से 14 साल के बच्चे का कितना अटेंशन स्पैन होता है? Just tell me. Okay, 15 to 20 minutes. Great, great, great. Okay, so you know that 15 to 20 minutes में you have to break it, right? Okay, so let's move. So I have an example for you all. Just grab your paper because here again I will be asking multiple questions from your side, right? This is a small talk that is called talking plant. Contest is a teacher, science teacher, she's teaching, getting to know plants in her class, right? You notice the students were a bit distracted and having trouble understanding the concepts. And the situation, take yourself to your classroom, अपने classroom में जाइए imagination में, and just think that you are teaching, you are explaining something, but few students are yawning. To grab their attention, आप क्या करते हो? Mention in chat box. I can see few teachers are responsive, but other teachers are not. I request everyone, because these responsives will be recorded, and I'll be happy that you people are participating. So the situation is, you are teaching with your best efforts, but you are seeing that your students are not participating, they are yawning, or they are doing some other activities. What will you do to bring their attention back to your classroom? Just tell me. No answers. By engaging children, doing practical way, taking lot of activities. Okay, what else? What else? Okay, I will break your monotony now, right? I'll give you an example. Can you please answer? This is a question which I'm asking you to break your monotony. Why do plants hate maths? Anyone? Can anyone answer? Did I ask a difficult question? If anyone wants to answer, unmute yourself and then tell me. Some teachers have mentioned that they are very perfect. Great, what a confidence. Yes, give me the answer of why do plants hate maths? And this is a humor. So all the answers are right. When we are talking about humor and attention span breaking, this is just any answer is good to go. Apna apna thought hai, apne apne perspective hai. There is no rocket science in answering this.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yeah, sure, please.
Ma'am, like the funny answer can be because maths have many problems.
Okay. What else? Great. All answers are good to go. All answers are right, because this is what we need to do in our classroom. Like, if you are feeling that the question is directly related to the subject what I'm teaching, I am taking a science class and I'm taking my students a simple question but in a humor way, so that I can bring their attention back to the class. If I'll keep asking on the subject, on the topic which I'm teaching, I'll ask question on them, maybe they won't respond. Then that fishy syndrome will come over. If we'll give it's a different question, it will help them to just to think at least कि मैम ने क्या पूछ लिया. Why do plants hate ma'am? Any other? Ma'am has given very right answer. Any other person? Why don't plants ever gossip? चलिए बताइए. Why don't plants ever gossip? कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं आप. It's a humor. It's a joke actually. No answers? See, virtual hai, you have to be responsive. Flashcard. Let me see. A simple answer can be they love to be deep rooted. Plants have root and everything they preserve in their roots. So they don't like gossip. So these are the things which when I know that you people know that group discussion, think, pair, share, interactive polls and quizzes, peer teaching, role playing simulation, problem based learning, hands-on activities, fishbowl activity, case study analysis, classroom polling, quick brain teasers. बहुत कुछ है हमारे बॉक्स में जो हम टीचर्स यूज करते हैं. एवरी डे वी आर यूजिंग इट. बट कैन वी यूज समथिंग डिफरेंट जो कि हमारे एक चार्टर से अलग है, कि जो स्टूडेंट एक्सपेक्ट ही ना कर पाए कि आज मैम ने क्या पूछ लिया. दैट वे. कैन वी डू दिस? इमोजीज, यस, नो, नेवर. कुछ आंसर करिए प्लीज. Many discussions can happen. What would you do if the president of like in SST class, have you ever, like, मुझे याद है मैं एक बच्चों का सेशन ले रही थी. I asked a very simple question from them कि what happens, gravity ना हो तो क्या होता है. The funny answer. Can you please answer this question? Gravity ना हो तो this very simple, ऊपर हो जाएगा, नीचे हो जाएगा. एक बड़ी क्यूट से बच्चे ने आंसर किया, मैम ग्रेविटी नहीं होगी तो आप भी उड़ उड़ के पढ़ाओगे और हम भी उड़ उड़ के पढ़ेंगे. That answer is still in my mind कि the छोटे से बच्चे ने ही answered so well, like whatever the concept उन्होंने जो पढ़ा या बच्चे को जितनी knowledge थी, at least he answered. So here it's like whatever we are already doing in our class, we have a big planner of NEP, as it just informed you so many things which we can do, but can we do it in a different way? Like simple question, like if you are in SST class, right? You can ask a student, for example, class 4, 5, 6 का अगर आप SST class ले रहे हैं, you can ask what would you do if you were the president of a day? You can give a thought-provoking question to the students. And if this question is to be asked in senior classes, for example, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, economics they are studying. So you can ask what you will do if you will be the finance minister of the country, right? Same thing, think, pair, mini discussion, but with some interesting questions, right? How many of you agree that these things will work? Yes, no? Okay. Now, I am just continuing with my previous. Let me connect all the slides together for you. What I have started from a talking plant. The teacher was taking a class that is getting to know plants, and then she noticed that class is going out of interest, and then she just dropped a question just to bring the attention span back, and now she can use her TLMs. Again, I am dividing. I don't know the sector. But for a simple example of plants, I'm using two videos. Just you tell me the difference, right? Like if I'm showing this video to the students.
Thin and soft.
Is it audible to everyone? Shambhavi, it is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So teachers, there is again a question for you. I'll be showing you two videos on the same topic, and you have to tell me what is the difference, right?
Stems are called herbs. Coriander, mint, radish, carrot, beetroot, rice, and mustard are some examples of herbs.
Very good. I will tell you something funny. Most types of herb plants are small, but the banana
also counted in herbs. Okay, now it's my turn to tell about shrubs. These near the ground only. Lemon, basil, rose, and pomegranate.
This is video 1, right? On the same similar topic, plants, I'm showing you one more video. This one.
We all enjoy the colors and fragrance of plants, but seem to forget about their important contribution. Plants are an absolute necessity for life on Earth. It is so because of the process of photosynthesis. A closer look at a plant shows that it is firmly held in the soil by the help of roots. These roots absorb water from the soil and then to the leaves. The stem holds the leaves in such a way that they absorb maximum energy from sunlight. A leaf is a very plant. Photosynthesis, the ultimate provider of food and oxygen.
Yes, teachers, you have seen both the videos. Can anyone please raise your hand and tell me the difference? Yes, teachers. We have a great participants today, and I know that you know everything. Just tell me the difference. Okay, first video more interactive. First video, it's kind of type of plant. Both are, see, I randomly picked. It's not directly related to the particular plant or particular chapter. I just wanted to make you understand the difference, how we are using TLMs. Which TLM should be, if I'm using a visual aid, what should be the, criteria in my mind कि मुझे क्या use करना चाहिए. First video was only conversation, second was more clear, okay? Okay. Conceptually great. So anyone have felt that I am talking about two sectors, like अगर हम plants की बात करते हैं, the topic starts from class 4 or 5, 3, 4, 5, right? And it goes up to class 10. So the difference which I want you to understand here is, and I just start at the beginning, I informed you कि क्या difference है, but none of you have noticed that, no problem. See, I told you for junior students, for junior kids, they love interactive videos. कार्टून्स, गुड म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड, है ना। और कॉन्सेप्ट उस समय बहुत ज्यादा इलेबोरेट नहीं होता, जस्ट टू स्टूडेंट्स को छोटा कॉन्सेप्ट हमें समझाना होता है. बट अगेन इफ आई एम टीचिंग दिस टॉपिक टू द हायर क्लासेस, देन दिस वीडियो विल नॉट वर्क फॉर मी. Then I have to go to deeper conversation with some good facts, right? As I give you a previous example, that if you're going to class 6 and 7, you can tell them to be what you will do as a prime minister, and for senior classes you can tell them to what you will do as a finance minister. So there is a difference between the students, right? So this is the difference which as a teacher I need to understand, because मैं अगर एक क्लास में जाती हूँ, 6 में भी जा रही हूँ, 7, मोस्ट ऑफ द टीचर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि जो 7 भी लेते हैं, 9 भी लेते हैं, राइट? 10 के बाद होता है कि 10, 11, 12 आर डिफरेंट टीचर्स. बट आई सी दैट प्राइम मिडिल जो सेक्शन होता है उसमें टीचर्स गोज टू रिपीटेटिव क्लास, सो दे शुड नो कि विच TLM आई शुड यूज, विच TLM विल वर्क. अगर आप ये वाला वीडियो क्लास 5 या 6 के 7 के बच्चे को दिखाओगे, शी विल नॉट लाइक इट. Agree or not? In chat box again. You agree? Yeah. So here, this is very simple difference जो हमको समझना है कि हमें कहाँ पे क्या चीज पिक करनी है. Which thing, what are the things which will lure my students to me? कौन से ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कौन से ऐसे मटेरियल हैं जो मैं लूँ जो मेरी क्लास में इफेक्टिव हो, राइट? सो यहाँ पे हमें एक डिफरेंस है. हम लिंक कर रहे हैं, हम एक ही टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमने सिर्फ उसमें डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस डाली हैं.
We all enjoy the colors.
Okay. Now, I have already given, as a teacher, I've explained the concept, I've shown them multiple videos. Again, now there's a time of brain break. What do you mean by brain breaks? This is directly related to attention span of a child. I can tell you, a student has an attention span of only 20 to 25 minutes, but when they are sitting in a classroom, their attention span drops down. What is the reason behind this? I already told you, with multiple different subjects. मैं एक बच्चा हूँ, मुझे अभी आधा घंटा मैथ्स पढ़ना है, 2 मिनट के ब्रेक के बाद मुझे साइंस पढ़ना है, फिर 2 मिनट के ब्रेक के बाद मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ना है, फिर 2 मिनट के ब्रेक के बाद मुझे हिंदी पढ़ना. सो एज ए चाइल्ड मैं क्या करूंगी, मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन तो ब्रेक होगा ही होगा ना. वो जो 20 मिनट्स का होता है, दैट विल रिड्यूस टू 10 मिनट्स ओनली. आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स आई विल पैनिक, right? ऐसा होता है. This is happening in our classroom, and this is where we are, lacking. So again, I have given a one break of question, then I gave a visual aid, then I am again giving a brain break. This is how. Simple exercise. You people can do this step. Like you can do this tap or deck step. You might. कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो अपनी क्लासेस में ब्रेन ब्रेक देते हैं? Anybody? कभी आपने रियलाइज किया है? क्योंकि हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, 45 मिनट्स को देखते हैं, फिर हम बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस हो जाते हैं. ओ आई हैव टू अपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम्स, सिलेबस खत्म कराना है, रिपोर्ट कार्ड बनाना है, कॉपीज चेक करनी है, पेरेंट्स टीचर्स अटेंड करना है, एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो वेयर द एक्चुअल टीचिंग इज मिसिंग, वहां पे हम लोग जो अपना चीज होती है, जो बेसिकली हमारा वर्क है, वी ऑलवेज मिस दैट इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच यू हैव टू इंश्योर कि मुझे 45 मिनट्स के पीरियड में 5 to 10 मिनट्स के ये अपने एडिशनल्स डालने सो दैट इफ आई एम रेडी विद, आई एम डेक्ड अप विद माई लेसन प्लान्स, माई असेसमेंट, आई एम वेल प्रिपेयर्ड what I am going to teach to my students. I should ensure that yes, whatever I planned, I have done it. I should be satisfied at the end of the class that yes, my students are happy. They learned for the जो भी मुझे उन्हें पढ़ाना था, मैं उन्हें ठीक से डिलीवर कर पाई, राइट? वो तभी पॉसिबल है जब आपके बच्चा आपसे सुने, राइट? इफ आई वांट टू टेल समथिंग टू एनी, मतलब मुझे किसी को कुछ बताना है, आई कैन नॉट मेक हिम अंडरस्टैंड अंटिल ही वांट्स टू लिसन टू मी. जब हमें कोई सुनना ही नहीं चाहेगा तो हम लोग नहीं बता सकते, राइट? सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. लाइक सिंपल टैप, इसका एक छोटा सा आपने सिंपल बच्चों को क्लैप करके दिखाया, ठीक है, एंड यू टेल देम टू फॉलो यू जस्ट अ मिनट और हाफ अ मिनट, और यू कैन सिंपली टैप द डेस्क just to bring the attention. Simply use this trick, right? These are very simple technique, but believe me, very, very, very effective. I have already taken more than thousands of training, thousands of offline workshop, and I see teachers. मुझे तो कई बार ऐसे लगता है teachers also want to play because they are also tired with the set plan of teaching. So sometimes it happens. So what is the benefit of brain break? It improves focus and attention. It prevents mental fatigue, boosts memory and retention, reduces stress. These are the things which we need to ensure. Please write it down. 45 minutes ka period you have to arrange in such a way so that it should be 100% effective and engaging. At the end of this class, you should be happy. Your student should be happy. Your happy children, if goes to home happily, then again they will come happy. So a simple technique. Again, one more example of brain break. I think you people must have tried it. This is a brain break for you. Wherever you people are sitting, just do this. What is this? Whatever is being shown in this video. Just do this. Simple gentle break like a
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
With this simple brain break, now your brains are strong and ready to learn again. How many of you agree? Mention in chat box, yes, no, not possible. Whatever you want to say, whatever, this platform is open for you. Yes, no, not agreed, anything. I do great, great. Most of the teachers are writing great. See, as in the beginning, I already told you that you people are expert of your studies. You have already done masters, BEds and whatnot. But the final delivery, how to plan our final delivery is important for us, right? Great answers. Syllabus completion is really a barrier. No, it's not a barrier. It's not a barrier, absolutely. Because I have given you only 2 breaks in this session, Abita, and it took only 1 minute. And the participants, can you see the number of participants? It's around 300, more than 300 participants are here. So it's just a 1 or 2 minute ka time chahiye. But the results are amazing. Okay, so let's move. Now we'll talk about critical thinking. As I gave you a very simple example of CID, I really like the serial sometimes because I do not like, but I like the dot connection at the end, that board notice board in police station, and where the team works. यहाँ से ये जुड़ा, यहाँ से ये जुड़ा, यहाँ से जुड़ा. When I see that serial, I watch that serial, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि this is our classroom. If I put something on my board, students should act like this. Students should connect all the things like this. This is what NEP is saying. How many of you have read the document of NEP? I don't know how many of you are aware, but that is what experiential learning is. जो बार बार NEP हमें बार हमें एक चीज समझा रही है कि कैसे हमने बच्चों को आगे बढ़ाना है. See, 2+2, when I was a student, I'm talking 30 years पहले की बात है, 2+2 was 4. Today also 2+2 is 4. After 10, 15, 30, 50 years, 2+2 will be 4. Plus addition, subtraction will not change. It's the way how we teach our student, right? So critical thinking here is matter. Give a child a platform where they can think, rethink and rethink. Just because they, whatever you are teaching in your classroom, they have to interact with the outside world. उनको बाहर जाना है, तो वो skills जो आपने पढ़ाई है, वो बाहर जाके कैसे use करेंगे, that is important. So for holistic development, it is very important for a child to relate the concept. Even आप photosynthesis भी पढ़ा रहे हो, तो how they will relate with their real life, right? So what critical thinking, why it matters? Because it ensures academic success. Critical thinking is crucial for academic success because you have given a box of problem to the students and just tell them to solve, right? आपको पता है कि आज के लिए अभी whatever the scenario is, this is Gen Z generation, right? Most of us are dependent on ChatGPT, even for lesson plans, whatever. Like we are very unsafe, lazy corner ki whatever we need, we just use ChatGPT. How many of you are using ChatGPT? Yes, no? Yes, बड़ी जल्दी से आने शुरू हुए. Yes, great, great. So yes, it is. Somewhere I'm feeling that we are feeling brain drain, तो हम लोग फटाफट यूज करते हैं. So आप imagine कर सकते हो कि you are training a child in your classroom today and he has to meet the job market after maybe 6-7 years. So today's whatever the condition of job market today is, it will not remain same after 7 years. So you are training to your children to meet that job requirement. आप 7-8 साल 10 साल के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, 10 साल बाद जो आज जो सिचुएशन है मार्केट की वो 10 साल बाद नहीं होगी, राइट? सो आप उनको कैसे, हर वक्त तो हम साथ में नहीं चल सकते हैं. हाउ विल वी ट्रेन आवर स्टूडेंट? जस्ट टू गिव देम, जस्ट टू एक्सप्लोर. उनको इतना ज्यादा प्लेटफॉर्म देना है हमने कि वो हर सिचुएशन को फटाफट से समझ सके. It helps them informed decision. Critical thinking helps individual make informed decision because after analyzing complex situations, complex things, they will arrive on a better solution, the best solution, I should say. Now, fostering how to develop a critical thinking culture. Encourage question, right? More and more question. What, how, when. These are the points. आप लिख दो बोर्ड पे. What, how, when. ये 3 चीजों के अराउंड आप बच्चों को रिवॉल्व करिए. एनकरेज मोर एंड मोर क्वेश्चन, प्रमोट ओपन डायलॉग. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, आंसर दीज 2 क्वेश्चन एंड ऑल द आंसर्स आर एक्सेप्टेड. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग समथिंग फ्रॉम, सी एवरीबडी हैज डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. मेरा कुछ और है, योर्स पर्सपेक्टिव विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट. सो एवरी आंसर, एनकरेज ऑल द आंसर्स. वी कैन नॉट से एनी स्टूडेंट नो यू आर रॉन्ग, नहीं ये गलत है. No, if any student is giving you any option, just tell them, yes, it is fine, but can we think, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि it's not the right way student are explaining, so you can tell them कि नहीं, क्या हम इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं. मतलब directly saying no to student is a negative thing from your side, because next time he will not come to you. So it's acceptance. Whatever is they are saying, just accept that. Okay, this is your way, fine enough. But can we think this way? क्या हम जो आप अपना perspective है उसके according आप रखिए. Just see the connection कि students कितना आपके साथ connect करेंगे. Open promote, आप जो भी जितना भी platform बच्चों को देंगे उतना ही वो आपके साथ connect होते चले जाएंगे. And model critical thinking. Teachers should model critical thinking skills, demonstrating how to analyze information and solve problem effectively. Just give them, like today you are starting the chapter, just give them a silly, I should not silly, a joyful thing to them. कुछ भी आप दे दो कि ये देख के आना. फोटोसिंथेसिस भी अगर आप कर रहे हो, to tell them to bring something from your home, maybe a छोटा सा design, maybe or छोटा सा पेड़, whatever the props you want in your classroom, tell them to bring something. So this will definitely help you in multiple ways. I have some examples for this. For example, observation and precision in learning. Guided observation, you can see this picture also. Hands-on activities. How many of you are doing this? How many of you are taking students to the real life examples? Chat box. Ma'am, I'm trying to write my name in. Okay. Yes. Great. Emojis use kariye. No problem. We have sort of time. No problem. Yes. Okay. Good. I'm happy that everybody is responding. I'm so glad. Thank you so much for your response. So definitely observation and precision in learning is important. It will give a different experience to your students, right? Measurement, introduce measuring tools. Science teachers must be doing it. Accuracy, like, when this is directly related to critical thinking, when you are giving a platform to students where they can, they are solving problem, they are submitting their own opinions, then now you have to tell them what should be the accuracy. बिकॉज ऐसा होता है कि हमें स्टूडेंट्स की बातें सुननी है, मतलब उनके जो थॉट्स है वो हमें लेने हैं, बट हमें उनको एक्यूरेसी भी बहुत जरूरी है कि what should be the right decision. So for that, yes, these 2 things. I think few people have raised hands, Shambhavi. They're repetitively raising hand.
Ma'am, do you want to conduct a Q&A or do you want to?
We can take in another 5 to 7 minutes after
Fine.
finishing this. Will it work, right?
Yes.
Okay. So teachers, whoever is raising your hand, you can write down in chat box or just give me 10 minutes. I'll take all your questions and queries. Just let me finish this up. So again, now I'm taking simple examples of what we have discussed, integrating classification in lesson sorting and categorizing. How many of you are doing? Simple, sorting on basis of color, size, shape, objects, type of thing, taste, anything. Right? Scientific classification, simply plants, animals, कुछ भी आपको कोई भी example, you should be ready with that. Now again, I'll show you a very simple example. This is what we want our students to do. This is where you can reduce your workload. You can tell your students to help each other and to do, this is called DIY activities. This is a part of NAP also. Just see this video and I'll explain what exactly we need to do in our classroom, right?
Hey Joe, what are you doing? These items are so difficult to understand. Let me see. This is so easy. Maybe, but I am not able to understand. Let me help you. Okay, come with me. You wait here. Help me! See, this is red soil. This is black soil. This is called black soil because of its color. This is also called regal soil. This is sandy soil and this is found in coastal regions. And this is alluvial and this is silk soil.
Can anybody tell me kind of teaching happening in this video? Any guesses? There's a proper name of this teaching. Peer learning. Great, great, great. Learning by doing. Great. Yes, it is. Learning by doing, but the right answer is peer learning. Peer tutoring. Yes, absolutely. So yes, we need to add these things into our classroom. It will definitely reduce your workload also. And I know that you people must be doing this in your classroom. How many of you are doing this? Have you ever there are few students who are shy, who are not able to cope up with this homework or maybe classwork. So what usually teacher do is peer learning techniques they are using. They can, buddies, you can say buddies. They make buddies. Intelligent students will help. There will be a group of 4 to 5 students where student will not feel shy, right? So those students who are not able to do work properly, with the help of those who are doing well in the classroom, then definitely they will help. और उसमें क्या होता है ना कि एक बहुत अच्छा bonding भी बन जाता है बच्चों में. So as a teacher, you will get to know the reality of the classes because the buddies of your class will help you who whatever the students are doing, who is not doing homework, who is not able to understand whatever is happening into the classroom, you will get a clear picture of your classroom. So these things definitely will help. These are the tried and tested because I'm an SCRT trainer also. So I know, whatever we are saying, we never say on basis of just randomly हमने कुछ create कर लिया. Everything, every single word used in this presentation is a basis of we have already tried it. These are the छोटे छोटे से हम लोग जो बीच में workshops conduct करते हैं. We meet teachers to know what is happening to the classroom, how they are coping up with the struggles of the student and everything. Because for teachers, handling parents again is a kind of task, right? So in itna sab kuch mein kaise they are ensuring 100% satisfaction to the students and parents and the stakeholders. This is a regular thing which you people can definitely incorporate into your lesson and it will help you in multiple ways, right? Believe me. Real life example is just taking them. Encourage students like आपके स्कूल के ग्राउंड में कितने फ्लावर्स हैं, आपके घर के आसपास कितने फ्लावर्स हैं. Musical rhythms, patterns you can use in your classroom and then students can answer. I mean simple like ना यहाँ पे ना At this moment your workload will definitely thoda sa it will increase कि you have to identify the TLMs, you have to redefine your TLMs for as per the new current scenario of NEP, because NEP repetitively is saying like do DIY, don't tell students just on a lecture method, just tell them, give them a space where they can do it themselves. Do it yourself activity, simulation, and number of simulations are available on internet. There are so Diksha portal, I don't know how many of you using Diksha, but there's a lot of content already available on Diksha. There's a lot of content on multiple websites that is free of cost for the teachers. They don't have to make anything, they just have to plan. You just have to plan. Like if you're planning your lesson, then you need to understand how this lesson plan should go. Where will I add the reading material? Where will I read the assessment? Where will I enter? I will use the visual. I have this much of time. I have to prepare for the exam also. I have to do other work also. But I will ensure that my classroom will go well. This is the one thing which I'm expecting from all the teachers, right? For geography, like Indian classroom is spices, you must have done color, smell, taste. हर चीज में there is a learning. Everything is a learning. For us, for students also, we also learn from our students every day. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि बच्चों ने मुझे बोला उड़ उड़ के आप पढ़ाओगे, that was a learning for me. कि how students are answering the question, right? So problem solving in scenario, students playing even like simple maths ka concept, you are planning a picnic or whatever, or you are making a budget, you are making a project, just tell students to allocate budget, to make budget, just to understand the concept of maths, right? Then problem solving, financial literacy, teamwork, planning, ये सारी skills हैं जो कि you can definitely add with simple things in your classroom. Then communication, language arts, and social studies are interconnected. How see the activity, group discussion on debates, current events, आप history पे कुछ भी लें, communication skill, critical thinking, सब कुछ. You have to, whenever you are planning an activity, write down the skills you are improving with the help of that activity, right? Team and collaboration is very important, because आज का बच्चा is, as I told you, it's a Google बच्चा, right? And very short tempered. Even a class 3rd and 4th class student, if you see, they're very short tempered, they're not ready to listen. They say that they are the best. I don't know how many of you have felt this. Anyone, chat box में आप लिखो, just to know कि आपकी classes में भी ऐसे बच्चे हैं क्या? Yes, फटाफट आंसर आते हैं. Yes, I'm happy that yes, bombarded. Okay, so here now we have to play a very crucial role to handling the behavior of the student, teaching at the same time, preparing him for the real life. You know the burden of a teacher? Yes, you know. Okay, so just this is the only one mantra of success of your classroom is engagement. Your classroom should be engaged. Your student should be connected with you. Once, if you are excited for a lesson plan, your student will see your excitement. If you are motivated, your student will feel motivated. If you care, your student will see your care. And this is the help, right? Teamwork, collaboration from the beginning हमें सिखाना है, because आज की जनरेशन को हैंडल करना इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी. सो अब अलग से टाइम तो हमारे पास होगा नहीं. सो दैट इज व्हाट एनईपी, अगेन आई एम नेमिंग एनईपी हियर, कि अलग से बच्चों के पास टाइम किसी चीज का नहीं है. विद इन आवर क्लासरूम, विद इन आवर लेसन्स, वी हैव टू ऐड ऑल द स्किल्स, राइट? Emotional, this is I was talking about empathy and self-regulation. Students learn to understand and respond to other emotions. See, imagine that you are continuously shouting in your class, continuously shouting, and आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, and you are, as I told you ना, maths teacher, मुझे अभी तक भी याद है अपनी maths teacher. हम लोग बोलते नहीं थे. So how many of you feel this? If you're continuously shouting in your class, your student what will they learn? They will also learn shouting. You know, when you are saying something in a positive way, your student will learn your positive way. Right? Agreed, na? So this is how. You know, students are very emotional. They are very emotional, and I feel that they want to be connected with their teachers. They notice each and everything. The moment you enter into your classroom, they will feel, आज मैम का मूड अच्छा है, we will enjoy the class. आज मैम गुस्से में है, okay, तो चुप ही रहना अच्छा है. These things happen. This is reality. How you carry yourself, what you are wearing, everything matters a lot. How you're combing your hairs. छोटी से छोटी चीज भी students are noticing, right? Okay, so yes, I'm happy that whatever I'm saying, teachers are agreed. Yes, ma'am, आप बोल रहे हैं क्या? We have to fail the student. Yeah, sure, बिल्कुल ma'am. कि when we were student, we also felt this. We also wanted our teacher should come happy and should treat us well, right? Okay, so I would like to conclude here with whatever we have because the time was only 1 hour. So I tried to integrate all possible things which I could. And just holistic development is the only thing which NEP wants from teachers. See, government has already made plans. They have already drafted the academic scenario. They have already changed the books. You know that class 6 books have recently changed. Class 1, 2, 3 have changed. The things are really changed. But now government has done its responsibility. Now it's your responsibility. बच्चों तक पहुंचाना is a teacher's responsibility. And for that, teacher should know what exactly is to be done. Right. So every single day we need to improve ourselves. 1% improvement every day will help us a lot. So conclusion, I would like to conclude here. Integrating life skill into academic subjects creates a holistic learning environment where students thrive academically and personally. You can read it, right? Shabavi, do we have five minutes more?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I just want to take you all with this video. This is just a simple brushing up of NEP. I felt it important because you know if you really understand NEP, then ये सब चीजें जो मैंने अभी तक discuss की ना, ये सब आप लोगों को पता होगा कि this is very very important. Just a brushing up of NEP for your ease because new academic session. This is basically at the end of my all workshop. I just use this video to brush up, just to remind teachers that government has already done a lot of things for students to ensure that basically NAP का फंडा ये था कि Indian students should not feel inferior when he or she goes to the foreign market for jobs or whatever. So the standard of learning, improvement of standard of learning was a mandate for a student. So that is the reason, right? So now I would like to take Q&A if anybody is having any questions. So definitely you can ask. Few people have raised hands. So if anybody wants to ask anything, please do. I hope this presentation, you feel that it is linked to your classrooms. Okay. Yes, ma'am. If somebody wants to ask, please ask. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself. I think one of the teacher have raised hand. You can unmute yourself and please tell me your query. Thank you so much, Trina ma'am, for praising the session.
Teachers, you're requested to turn on your videos and you can virtually raise your hand, and one by one we'll take the questions.
Also, I would like to request to switch on your video once at least, just to see to whom I was talking since past 1 hour. So let me see the wonderful teachers, wonderful, because I am into this industry since 18 years and I really love to meet teachers. This is an offline session. Had it been well, this is an online session. Agar ye offline hota, to we would rock. Nice, nice. I'm really happy to see you all. So, Shambhi, we can have a screenshot of this, all the videos. Thank you so much, teachers. You have switched on your videos on my request. So, anything you would like to discuss or anything you would like to share with us? बहुत सारी चीजें आपको पता है जो आप हमें बताइए कि हाँ any experience from your classroom or anything you feel like this should be discussed here or whatever. Participation certificate, I'm not very sure that Shambhavi will tell us. For this workshop, I don't think, Shambhavi, we are giving any participation certificate for this workshop.
Ma'am, I'll let you know about this a little later.
We'll ask the management and we'll mail.
PIS Dule, sir, you are unmuted. You can ask a question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Ma'am, the biggest challenge that we are facing now, the most of the students are they want to learn from the YouTube University. They are not ready to read the books. That is the biggest challenge, and therefore only the I would say that 10% class is actively participating in teaching learning process, and because this I have got from the parents only, that during the open house that most of the parents are complaining about that the students they keep on watching the videos. Therefore it found us very difficult that
This was the basic of this session, sir, because a student, if it is why a student is going for some other reference, the question answer is only one, that he or she is not able to understand whatever is being matlab maybe a difficult type hota hai bacche ke it's not your problem, it's maybe the student's problem, that he is not able to ask question, he's not able to, he may be shy, he may be scared of anything. So buddy system will help the student, because when your classroom, the first thing is connectivity. I have not taken any fancy topic here, I have not taken any deep topic here. I would have taken a NEP NCF, मैं कुछ भी ले सकती थी, but मेरा जो first session होता है with a new group is that is first thing is to engage first, कि बच्चों में वो confidence कि whatever, if I'm sitting in a class, I'm sitting in a safe environment. If I want to ask something from my teacher is my friend, right? If we achieve that level, then definitely आप मानिए मेरी बात, स्टूडेंट ऐसे होंगे, अगर आप बोलेंगे yes तो वो yes ही होगा. I have done this personally. I have seen, like I told you now, like it's almost 7 to 8 years I'm into training and I'm working as a resource person. But before this, I started my career as a teaching from pre-primary, and then promoted to PGT, and then so I have my single thing. मतलब जिसे कहते हैं ना सक्सेस मंत्रा, जिसे मैं बोलती हूँ अपना, जस्ट टू कनेक्ट, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट स्टेक होल्डर इज अ स्टूडेंट, राइट? कहीं ना कहीं वो जो स्टूडेंट, आप ऐसे अगर आप सोचेंगे कि ग्रुप में मैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करूँ, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. जस्ट पिक 1 or 2 ओनली टू स्टार्ट. आप देखिए कौन से ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनके पेरेंट ने कंप्लीट किया. जस्ट पिक 2 स्टूडेंट्स, take them into a corner, आप उन्हें कॉन्फिडेंस लाइए, ask them what is the problem, why they are not is there any problem, they are not understanding well, what is the way they understand. मैंने आपको बताया ना, कोई बच्चा देख के सीखता है, कोई करके, कोई सुन के, कोई फील करके. तो जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट ही और शी इज. आप कॉन्फिडेंस दिलाइए, 1 बच्चे 2 बच्चे के साथ आप शुरू करिए. Try this technique in your classroom. Those 2 students will help you to gain confidence in entire class. जब वो 2 बच्चे, I have seen that एक बच्चा था, I can share it with you. There was a school and met a teacher. And very interesting thing, she told me that one of the student in her class never shows interest in her class, never shows, all the time yawning, seeing outside and this and that. So उन्होंने टीचर ने क्या किया, उसको एक टास्क असाइन किया, दैट इज क्वेश्चन कीपर. दैट वाज न्यू थिंग फॉर मी. क्वेश्चन कीपर का एक टास्क असाइन किया, दैट यू आर द क्वेश्चन कीपर ऑफ माय क्लास. सो द टास्क वाज कि जब भी टीचर कुछ पढ़ा रही है, राइट, उस टाइम पे जो क्वेश्चन क्लास में हो रहे हैं, टीचर पूछ रही है या स्टूडेंट्स पूछ रहे हैं, द टास्क वाज टू नोट ऑल द क्वेश्चन व्हिच हैव बीन डिस्कस्ड इन द क्लास ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड, ऑनगोइंग पीरियड, राइट. तो क्या होता था, अब उस बच्चे को एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मिल गई, उसका काम था क्वेश्चन लिखना. एक बच्चे ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, वो लिखा, टीचर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, वो लिखा, एंड विद इन फ्यू डेज द स्टूडेंट चेंज्ड, क्योंकि उसको अटेंशन मिल गया, राइट, उसको एक काम मिल गया. वो क्वेश्चन, एक तो टीचर का काम हो गया कि क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे, वो सारे एक नोट रेडी हो गया फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स दैट वी हैव डिस्कस दीज थिंग्स. देन स्टूडेंट फेल्ट वैल्यूड कि हाँ, मुझे एक टास्क दिया, मुझे एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी, आई विल बी गुड, और वहां से बच्चा इंप्रूव होना शुरू हो गया. सो एक साथ नहीं कर सकते हम दो पिक करेंगे एंड देन उन दो को असाइन करेंगे आगे. दिस इज ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड, आप करके देखो, इट विल हेल्प यू इन मल्टीपल वेज. बहुत 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 सक्सेसफुल है ये कि आप एक साथ ग्रुप को लोगे, बच्चे नहीं सुनते, अगेंस्ट हो जाते हैं, आपको ब्रेक करना है उनको. आप ब्रेक करके देखिए, दो दो को गिरिए, आप उन्हें बेस्ट ऑप्शन दीजिए. अगर मुझे कोई चीज पसंद है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम पसंद है, ठीक है, मैं क्यों उसे स्विच करूंगी, तब करूंगी जब मुझे उससे बेस्ट ऑप्शन मिलेगा. इफ आई गेट समथिंग बेस्ट, देन आई विल लीव that chocolate ice cream and I'll go for the best. So you have to work hard here, sir. I'm so sorry. थोड़ा सा आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, बट डेफिनेटली आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा जब स्टूडेंट्स बड़े कहीं सेटल. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मैं देखती हूँ मेरे स्टूडेंट सेटल्ड हैं, कभी मिलते हैं मार्केट में या कुछ है, तो आई फील सो प्राउड दैट येस आई हैव चोजन दिस प्रोफेशन एज अ टीचर, राइट. डिपेंड्स, आपको थोड़ा टाइम थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. एनी अदर टीचर, इफ English class, there is a student who has no basic of English language, but we have to, एक second, let me read it properly. Okay, no teacher, sometimes doesn't understand. Ma'am, Shweta Datta, ma'am. Okay, so have you ever tried to connect with students, child's parents? कभी आपने उनसे बात करने की कोशिश की है? Okay, so कई बार क्या होता है ना कि बच्चों को learning difficulties होती हैं. So most of the time हम लोग ना relate कर लेते हैं. What is the age of the student? Can you tell me the age of the student? We don't feel good children, one student who doesn't respond at all. Yes, 7th class child. कई बार क्या होता है कि मैम स्टार्टिंग में ना एक I understood, I got it, I got your point. Because sometimes it happened that their child may be suffering from learning difficulties. Identify the root cause. If at class 7 standard he's not able to read English, then there must be something wrong with her understanding, because basic English or basic 7th class ka bacha simple reading can do. So sometimes it happens that parents do not accept this, that my child is having learning difficulties, and they usually blame teachers for not performing well. Ye hota hai. So you have to identify the basic. Again, the funda is same. Take the child at a corner. उससे बात करिए एक बारी, उसको कॉन्फिडेंस दिलाइए कि आप जो उससे बात कर रहे हैं वो मतलब आप उसको हेल्प कर रहे हैं. एंड देन ट्राई टू फिगर आउट द रूट कॉज. सिंपली कहना कि बच्चे को नहीं समझ आ रहा, ये बच्चा नहीं पढ़ रहा, दैट इज रॉन्ग. कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. First, you will understand the problem, and then automatically you will get answer yourself. You are already trained teacher. Is extremely naughty, always distracted. Ma'am, there is some learning disability. 100%. The way you have mentioned the problem, there is some learning difficulty which is not being identified from the parent side, from the school side. Child is suffering. So we have to identify that problem just to see the root cause, and then please help your child. क्योंकि your efforts will definitely change his life. अगर आप उसे इस स्टेज पे ऐसे छोड़ेंगे तो आगे वो और ज्यादा सफर करेगा. मैं तो आपको यही बोलूंगी, बिकॉज आई फील दैट हर बच्चा मेरी क्लास का इज माई बच्चा ना. तो ऐसी फीलिंग के साथ जब हम लोग चलते हैं टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में, तो हम कनेक्ट होते हैं अपने बच्चों के साथ, एंड डेफिनेटली फिर बच्चे जो है ना वो हमारे हो जाते हैं, और फिर वो पढ़ते, जब वो आपकी बात सुनेंगे तो अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे ना, वो चीज़ है. Try this. You can take my number. I mean, Shambhavi, you can write down my mail here in chat box. You can drop your queries. I will definitely answer all your queries. I don't feel connected with him. मैम कनेक्टेड तो होना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो अगर हम बच्चों से कनेक्टेड नहीं होंगे तो टीचर, बिकॉज वी आर हियर फॉर इट, वी नॉट बाय चांस, बाय चॉइस, हमने अपनी मर्जी से ये प्रोफेशन चुना है. सो वी नीड टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद आवर प्रोफेशन. All over development of a child is our responsibility. Any other teacher, if anybody wants to ask, please do. Somebody is saying something, but I'm not on. It's not audible.
Teachers, you are requested to turn on your videos and then raise your hand so that we'll be able to see that which teacher wants to ask any question.
We have mentioned our mail ID. If you have any query, if you want any information related to any PE or any child issues, class suffering, or if you want to interact one-on-one, you can definitely mail us. I will try to address each and every query very soon.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
madam, it's very useful, madam. Madam, I am the resource person of Sri Vidya Mandir, Palani, Tamil Nadu, madam. See, if you have a very good impression in the starting stage itself, the first impression, if it creates a very good, then they are obeying whatever we are telling, madam. Whatever we are teaching, so 100% we can able to get a success, madam. Thank you
Yes,
very much
sir,
for your giving a
definitely.
wonderful speech, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Gratitude. Thank you.
Highly informative.
Yes, ma'am. Chandni ma'am wants to ask something. Yes, ma'am. Unmute yourself. Ma'am, you are on mute. You have to unmute yourself. I'm not able to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Hi,
yes.
good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good
My
evening.
name is Chandni and I'm from Sir Patapan Singhane School, Kota, Rajasthan. And actually, I have one child in my class. I am actually a mother teacher of class 1. And one child is there in my class. She's actually mentally very good. She's able to answer everything. She can read a bit, not much. Her verbal communication is also good, thanks to the parents. But she doesn't want to study. Her
Okay.
situation is right now is so, she's in class 1 and her situation right now is so that if I want to make her write the whole work in the class, I have to make her stand near me and then she writes. The writing is also not at all good and I want her to learn, but she's not able to do it. She doesn't want to do it. That's the thing.
What
with
is
her.
the age of the child? Class 1 would be 6 to 7 years? Not more than that, right? There's a network issue, I guess. Ma'am, can you hear us?
Yes, connection got lost
Okay,
actually.
I'll tell
Sorry.
you. I'll tell you. See, the age of the child it should not be more than 7 years, right? 7 to 8 years, 6 to 7
No,
years.
she's around 7 years, yes, ma'am.
7 years, right? So, ma'am, 7
Yes,
years
ma'am.
is too early to decide whether the child can study or not. I mean, this is like some students, some children have the tendency, as you said, that her verbal communication is good and everything is good with her. Just give her some space. Just give her some confidence. Had it been like कि वो बिल्कुल ही perform नहीं कर रही है, then I could say कि there must be some learning disabilities. But you
No,
said that
she's
while the
not doing
markings are
anything.
good
Yes.
with her. So there must be a reason behind it. If the child is has a good verbal skills and everything, then again the funda is only one. You have to connect with the child first. Try to
So I'm
connect.
the verbal
Don't talk with her about studies. For some time, try this. For
Okay.
2-3 sessions, do not talk about study. पढ़ाई के बारे में बात मत करिए, books के बारे में बात मत करिए, कुछ भी नहीं करिए. Logics भी कुछ भी मत करिए. Simple बात करिए कि उस बच्चे को क्या पसंद है. वो बच्चा क्या अच्छा
Okay.
लगता है, खाने में क्या अच्छा लगता है, खेलने में क्या अच्छा लगता है, that way, a journal conversation, do it. Simply 5 minutes आपने खा लिया, आपने बच्चा आइडेंटिफाई किया, thank you so much, because मतलब if teachers are doing this much of efforts now, it's really a great thing for students. वो blessed है बच्चा जो
Thank
आप
you so much, ma'am.
identify
Thank you,
कर
ma'am.
रहे हो. सो द थिंग इज
Thank you
दो
so much,
तीन
ma'am.
बार आप उससे बिल्कुल भी लॉजिकली बात मत करिए, पढ़ाई की बात मत करिए। ये
Okay.
मत कहिए कि आप पढ़ेंगे
Okay.
नहीं तो क्या होगा, बिकॉज 7 साल का बच्चा इज नथिंग, उसको नहीं समझ आएगा अभी कि क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना।
Hmm.
स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ, राइट। उससे पहले जनरल बात करिए, फ्रेंड बनाइए उसे अपना, राइट। आप 2-3 बार उससे बात करेंगे ना, क्या अच्छा लगता है, चॉकलेट अच्छी लगती है, क्या अच्छा लगता है, कार्टून क्या अच्छा लगता है, और घर में क्या चल रहा है, जस्ट ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई। जब वो कॉन्वर्सेशन करेगी ना आपके साथ, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट द आंसर ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद द चाइल्ड, कि वो ये नहीं कर पा रही है। when she can speak well but she's not writing, so it's not
I'll
कि
tell you what, ma'am. Actually, sorry to interrupt, but I have done everything. Whatever you are saying, I have already done it in the past 11 months. Because the child is with me from past 11 months. Now she'll be going to class 2. So I have done everything I have done. And the communication part which I'm telling about, it's about the verbal communication, what the daily routine talks we have, like we are having it right now. It's not the academics wala part.
okay.
Not academically the child is with.
So maybe then you try to identify the learning disabilities here, because sometimes
I had a
learning
word
disability,
with the
I'm not
parents
saying कि
also.
कुछ no learning disability का मतलब बच्चे को वो एक चीज नहीं होती, it's like simple।
Okay.
मैं आपको बहुत छोटा सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ। विजन प्रॉब्लम होता है, सिंपल विजन होता है, ठीक है। जो बच्चे
Okay.
होते हैं 6 to 7 8 years के, 8 years तक के विजन प्रॉब्लम होता है कि देख, इफ यू आर राइटिंग समथिंग ऑन बोर्ड एंड द चाइल्ड इज नोटिंग, अगर बच्चा ऐसे बैठ के करे और किसी ने उसको ऐसे हिट कर दिया, शी लॉस द फोकस, ठीक है। और उसके बाद क्या होगा कि वो जब दोबारा बोर्ड पे देखेगी तो शी विल मिस द लाइन, एक लाइन मिस करेगी, 2 लाइन मिस करेगी, और वो छोड़ देगी, क्योंकि वो लिखने में उसको प्रॉब्लम आएगी। दैट इज कॉल्ड विजन प्रॉब्लम। और जो ये जो बच्चे हैं, हमारे जो जनरेशन के बच्चे हैं, इसमें ये छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा आइडेंटिफाई हो रही है। सिंपल, इसको ये कोई बीमारी नहीं है मैम, इट्स नॉट बीमारी, इट्स सिंपल थिंग कि कंसंट्रेशन बच्चे का जो है नहीं बन रहा। पेरेंट्स को बोलिए सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेस करिए, राजमा छोले बच्चे को एक कटोरी में मिक्स करके दे दीजिए, एंड टेल हर मदर टू सिट हर मेक हर सिट एट अ प्लेस एंड सेपरेट इट, जस्ट टू बिल्ड हर
Okay.
कंसंट्रेशन। छोटी छोटी एक्सरसाइज, गिव हर अ स्मॉल टास्क इन द क्लासरूम इनिशियली, कि बेटा ये रजिस्टर है मेरा, जस्ट कीप इट इन एलमीरा, ये मेरी वाटर बॉटल है, जाओ भर लो। एनर्जी बहुत हाई होती है बच्चों में, वो रेस्टलेस हो जाते हैं, दे कैन नॉट सिट एट वन प्लेस। हाई एनर्जी इज अ प्रॉब्लम वेयर लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी इज कनेक्टिंग। सो आप कुछ मत करिए, आप 2-3 दिनों से कैजुअली रखिए, फर्स्ट सेकंड तक नहीं भी करेगी तो चल जाएगा, थर्ड में बच्चा अपने आप समझ जाता है, थर्ड फोर्थ में जब थोड़ा सा होता है।
Okay.
अभी आप उसका बेसिक डेवलपमेंट पे ध्यान दीजिए, ताकि वो बच्चा आगे जाके सफर ना करे। आप उसे इतना एंगेज
Okay.
करिए चीजों में, सिंपल चीजें, मैंने आपको बताया ना, क्लासरूम कॉपीज कलेक्ट कर लो बेटा, सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेस। उससे क्या होगा, उसकी एनर्जी चैनलाइज होगी, जब एनर्जी पॉजिटिव वे में चैनलाइज होगी, शी विल फील कनेक्टेड।
Okay, ma'am. Got your point, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for answering.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, teachers. I think we are running short of time. It's already 5:20.
There is, I think so, Miss. I mean, Shabita ma'am. She has raised her hands since long. I'll just unmute her as well.
Yeah.
Ma'am, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
This is Sabita from Sri Vidya Mandir, which is in Parani district. And ma'am, like your session was really fruitful to us, and whatever you have told, we are practicing it in our school. We are really very happy about it. Means like what is expected, and we are already practicing. So in that way, we are feeling very happy, and the execution part alone we need to strengthen up. Otherwise, whatever you have been told, we are really following the TLM active participation of each and every child and the peer group. Whatever you have conveyed, we were very happy when you were all talking about it. So I'm very happy to convey this at this time to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So thank you so much, teachers, for your time and patience and listening me, and a very heavy participants. I could see good answers in chat box, various emojis, and we converse great. So we have already mentioned our email IDs. If you have further queries, then definitely please drop a mail. I would love to reply to everyone individually wherever you are facing issues. So thank you so much for today. So we can wrap up this with a good note that we'll meet again soon. Thank you, Shambhavi, for everything.
Thank you.
So we can close, Shambhavi.
Ma'am, if there are any more questions which the teachers want
We
to
have
raise-
already given them, or anybody, they will drop a message if anybody is facing any issue, then we can take it further.
Ma'am, fine. Just give me 2 minutes. We'll just
Sure,
wrap it
sure.
up.
No problem. If anybody wants to ask anything, I'm here. No problem. If anybody wants to share something, I think Shambhavi can give us 2 minutes more. Any experience, any funny experience from your class? Feedback link, okay. Shambhavi, are we giving them any feedback link, Abhi, for the session? I think now I'm asking you, okay, anyone, if you would like to share some funny or some different experience.
Ma'am, I think so. Now the teachers, we can close the session.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an enlightening and inspiring session. Your insights have truly made a lasting impact, I think so. And educators with these valuable strategies and, the enhanced teaching effectiveness, I'm sure our audience has a clear perspective of how innovative teaching approaches and can create more and engaging, impactful learning experience. To all the participants, thank you so much for joining. We have shared the feedback form here in the chat box. You're requested to give your feedback on the training for today. And thank you so much for your active participation in today's online teacher training. And thank you so much, Taruna ma'am, for joining us.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good tea now. Bye-bye.
Thank you everyone for being a part of today's teacher training. Stay tuned for our next exciting camp session. Until then, keep exploring, learning, and applying these strategies in your life. Have a fantastic day, everyone.
Bye-bye.